basic open major chords, A. So you have all fingers, 1, 2, 3 inside the second fret. Fretting first finger on the fourth string, second finger on the third string, and your third finger on the second string. Now the open strings are the A string, the fifth, and the first string. The E string is not included. Next is C major. First finger on the second string, first fret. Second finger on the fourth string, second fret. And your third finger on the fifth string, third fret. Now strings included are the fifth string all the way down to the first string. E string is not included. Next is D major chord, first finger on the second fret, third string. Second finger on the second fret, first string. And your third finger on the third fret, second string. Strings included in this chord is the 4, 3, 2, 1 strings. Fifth and sixth string not included. Next is the E major chord, first finger on the first fret, third string. Second finger on the second fret, fifth string. And your third finger on the second fret, fourth string. This is the shape. All strings are included. Next is the G major three-finger shape. First finger is on the second fret, fifth string. Second finger on the sixth string, third fret. And your third finger is on the first string, third fret. All the strings are included. For the minor chords, we had the D minor, first finger on the first fret, first string. Second finger on the third string, second fret. And your third finger is on the second string, third fret. This is the shape. Strings that are included in this chord, the 4, 3, 2, 1. Fifth and sixth string not included. Next is the E minor chord, 2 fingers only. You have an option to use your 1 and 2 finger or 2 and 3 finger only. I use my 2 and 3 finger if just practicing, but in some situations you can use your first and second finger. Now if you're a beginner, you might be inclined to use your first and second finger. So first finger is on the fifth string, second fret. Your second finger is on the fourth string, second fret also. For those of you who want to use second and third finger on the fifth string, second fret. Third finger on the fourth string, second fret also. Now the strings that are included in this chord, all the strings. Now the next one is A minor. So A minor, first finger is on the first fret, second string. Second finger is on the fourth string, second fret. Third finger is on the third string, second fret also. And the strings that are included in this chord is A, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The sixth string is not included, okay? Our bonus chord for today is not an open chord. It's a bar chord, but don't worry. You can practice this on your own. Take your time with this one. It's the B minor chord. So if you just take an A minor first and move it up 2 frets higher, the shape, 1, 2. You can practice this for now if you can't bar a bar chord like this, if you're having trouble with that one. If you need to play a B minor, move that A minor shape 2 frets higher, and make sure that you only strum the fingers or the strings that you're fretting. 3 strings. 4, 3, and 2 strings, if you can. That's B minor, okay? For now you can do that until you build up your strength or skills to play a B minor bar chord. Alright, so I hope this helps you out. I'll see you in the next one. Happy practicing.